Welcome everyone. Today is week 16 of my YouTube community update for monetization. And to be honest, not much really happened this week. It was definitely a lot slower growth, but we're still moving forward and that's just the way it is. It goes up and down. So let's go ahead and get into the analytics and see what's going on. Okay, so now we're in my spreadsheet and looking at my video from last week, the one video that's blowing up my channel, which most of you already know which one that is. And I tried 10 o'clock last Sunday, but it was at 10:06. I have 51 views. My length of video is a little over 13 minutes. Impressions, 1,411. Click-through rate, 3.0. Average percentage watch time, or average percentage watched, 20.20%. And my watch time is 2.3. And let's go ahead and then look at my actual dashboard. And we'll also be looking at just how my one that is blowing up, how it's moving forward. And then if you remember from last time, I went ahead and changed the thumbnail on my other hype video, and let's see how that one's going. All right, let's go. Okay, so we're in my channel dashboard, and let's just look at those two videos that I talked about specifically. Right here on why you don't have YouTube's hype feature, let's go ahead and look at the analytics. So I'm at 1,859 views, 50.1 watch hours, and 17 subscribers. And just looking over here, you can still see it's going pretty strong. And I don't know, let's check the last 60 minutes. We have 2 views from there. And let's check engagement. 1 minute, 37 seconds. So our average percentage view is 34.9%. And I'm actually getting some in-screen element. So click rate, so that's awesome, 1.0. All right, let's go ahead and look at the other one and see how that's going. So it's right here, why you don't need hype to grow on YouTube. And you can see I'm exactly the same as I was last week. So 27.8 for watch time hours. So I've gotten nothing since I've changed the thumbnail and stuff like that. I'm just going to keep leaving it as is and just continue to monitor to see how it goes. But yeah, I'm not surprised. I was hoping for maybe a couple more views, but nope, not yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the channel, the analytics for the week and for lifetime. For the week here, I'm going to click November 15th to today and click apply. And so I have 228 views, 6.9 watch hours, and 2 subscribers. So this week was definitely a lot slower. And like I said, that's just part of YouTube, is you're going to have weeks or months that it's doing really well, and then there's going to be other times where it's kind of slow, and you just got to keep going and just know that it changes. And we can see Thursday this week was probably my lowest on views, 19, and then on Friday it shot up at 32. Let's go to see more. So for the week I have for impressions 3,219, and my impression click-through rate 5.1% for the week. That's really good. And you can see this one, why you don't have YouTube's hype feature, 13.2%. So that one, like I've already said, that one is the one that's carrying this channel. All right, let's go ahead and look at lifetime. For lifetime, I'm going to go to July 28th. And if this is your first time watching this video and stuff like that, this channel used to be a different channel, and so when I click lifetime, it skews the information from this channel. So that's why I go to July 28th is when I actually started this channel. And we click apply. And so I'm at 2,845 views, watch time 93.2, subscribers 47. Let's click see more. And my impressions is 52,782. Impression click-through rate 4.0. That's actually not too bad for, where it was not too long ago. So we're definitely doing better. Again, this is the one that is really helping the channel. And hopefully there's another one that will do just as well as this one. And you just never know what video that might be. But I'm steadily, getting more people subscribed to the channel, more people watching it. So it'll come. All right, as you already know, the most important thing that I really share, or I really express to you if you are working towards monetization, is the earn section. Let's go there now. So you can see my 52 subscribers, and I'm at 90 valid valid public watch hours. And last week it was 80. So I've got 10 hours in the week. So that's really good, at least for me. So I think for this week, since I'm been kind of on the slower side and stuff like that, I will probably see if I can do some more research and see if I can find a possible another hot topic. I don't want to just put random stuff out there that I don't think anybody's going to have interest in. I want it to be valuable. So that's why you don't get that many YouTube tip videos from me, because I'm not a guru. So I just share with things that I find out through my trial and error. But if there is anything that you think might be a good topic to discuss, definitely put it down in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. And if you watch to the very end, I do appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. Bye.